know niggas be sinking. Take your bitch and go deep in, but I give her back while you tweaking. Come around with that rah-rah, we leave you dead on the cement. With the game, we ain't playing fair. Matter of fact, we don't play at all. OG was in the...
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Steezy back with another YouTube video for y'all today, man. Today we about to do another reaction video for y'all today, man. You know what I'm saying? Everybody react to my guy Young Dolph and Key Glock. You know what I'm saying? They about to freestyle over a Memphis classic song, She's and Dope. You know what I'm saying? It's about to be lit, man. Y'all know the gang is, man. It's Steezy and no gang. Don't forget to subscribe to this right now, man. Like this video right now before we get started, man. Just really thanks to a million views, man. Subscribe. We're going all the way to the top, man. You dig? 10K we next.
YouTube.com/Tim Westwood TV.
Oh, wow.
Tim Westwood TV up at Capital Extra. They're going with the hottest cats out of Memphis.
Hold up.
Repping paper.
Hey, Gucci down, you hear me?
Young Dolph,
yeah.
Key Glock. Up in the UK with that heat, baby. Let's go.
Come on. This shit hard already.
That motherfucker so Memphis right here.
Huh.
Yeah.
Hold up.
I just fucked two sisters, real life, same bed. One thing they know about me, they know I keep one in their head.
Yeah.
I got good weed rolled up and some raw. Believe nothing that you heard and half of what you saw.
Right.
Be your own boss. Be your own shooter. I love pretty young bitches, but I might fuck a cougar. I just did 160 past the state troopers.
Yeah.
I ain't stopping. If they want me, they gon' have to shoot me. I take care of my whole family like I'm Frank Lucas. Came in with all my jewelry, I'm flexing like Lex Luger. Bust down my watch, bust down my chain, bust down your bitch. Big blunt of lemon tree, this shit here got me lit.
Yeah.
We in UK.
We in UK.
Fucking with Tim Westwood on a Tuesday.
You did.
Me and Young Glock.
Yeah.
Hickory dickory dock. Too much money in my motherfucking socks. South Memphis young, but I'm out in London. It's all good in my hood. I'm chilling with Westwood.
Yeah.
Tomorrow hit the Gucci store and spend about a thug. Hey, the niggas talking down cause they wish they could. But they wish they would try to run up on the Glock.
Yes, sir.
It's the wrong plot. Nigga, you gon' get your ass shot.
Yeah.
Drop right there on the floor. Where them get them up, clean them up. Yeah, he should've ducked. Daddy. Hey, we went from Gucci to Fendi back to Louis, yeah. We don't give a fuck. Your bitch like to chew it, yeah.
Chew it.
What I came up all for, stinking grass, yeah. Playing with the kid, that's your ass, yeah.
Your ass.
Paper route business.
What?
Paper route business. Where we from, don't ask me no more, bitch, we from Memphis. South side of the motherfucking town.
You did.
Yeah.
Hey, it was just playing.
Young Dolph and Key Glock.
Yeah.
Crazy. Make sure you check out Young Dolph in
that shit was fire.
And also check out this hot freestyle from YBN Corday. Crazy. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you know what's up, and comment and let me know how you feel in the videos. It's Tim Westwood TV.
Yo, I want y'all let me know what y'all thought of this freestyle of Young Dolph and Key Glock. You know what I'm saying? This shit was fire. And who y'all think did the best in this freestyle? I feel like it was Dolph, man. Even though I fuck with Key Glock harder than Dolph on some shit, you know what I'm saying? But Dolph ran his freestyle better, you know what I'm saying? Key Glock ran some good shit too, but Dolph ran this shit. Y'all let me know in the comment section who had the best freestyle version, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know what the next reaction video y'all want me to do next, man. Y'all already know the gang is, man. It's your boy Steezy. Just bring all the latest reaction videos, man. Y'all already know the gang is. Just tune in. You need.